What is going on, lunatics? Let's take a quick look at Terra Luna Classic and see, are we bullish? Are we bearish? How do we feel right now? If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button on the way in. Helps push me up in the algorithm, and I appreciate each and every one for your support. Also, if you are interested in trading, I do have and I have created some training videos for you to start consuming. It's $4.99 a month and it's on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and become a member here by joining the channel, and it's $4.99 a month. Now there are tiers to it leading all the way up to $99 a month. If you want to support me at $99 a month, that's available for you. There are a couple people who do that just because they like me. There's no benefit to it other than ice. All right, so let's check everything out. But first, the jump. In the past, crypto and stocks were two different worlds. If the stock market closed for the weekend, you were locked out. But that just changed. BitGet has launched the world's first tokenized stock perpetual contracts. Now you can go long or short on the biggest names in global equities like Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, all using USDT. There's no brokerage accounts, no market hours, and no limits. You get 24/7 market access even when traditional Wall Street is asleep. These stock perpetual futures are a core part of the BitGet Universal Exchange, or UEX. It's one app for everything: crypto, stocks, commodities, DeFi, and TradFi, all under one roof. Are you ready to bridge the gap? New traders are going to get a $10 USDT bonus on their first order. Check out the link to bitget.com down below in my description to start building your wealth. Terra Casino is the place to go if you support me. Folks, every day I try to give you the freshest and best information for Terra Luna Classic. And if it has value for you, then the value here is created by you helping me by signing up at terracasino.io. Connect your wallet over here and you can start playing today. And you can trade Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever it is that you want. All of them are accepted here at terracasino.io. My other partner is Terraport.finance. This is the decentralized exchange that I use for all of my Terra Luna Classic trading. That includes buying and selling Juris Protocol, Garuda, anything in this ecosystem. This is where I go. This is how I do it. So sign up today. It helps me out tremendously. Okay, so first of all, in news, Garuda DeFi has overtaken Terraport as the #1 by volume decentralized exchange in this ecosystem. Now it's 152,000 to 126,000. I don't know if it's going to sustain because it's Terraport pops every once in a while and gives more volume. So for largely, it's been like that for a long period of time. Terraport has been the leader. And I should point out here, this is in DeFi, these decentralized exchanges. Most of the market has moved away to Cauchy and Poly market and stuff like that. So you're seeing a drain on volume right now in cryptocurrency because there hasn't been any good news in a while. And it's been a strained economy. And let me also point out, even when we were running up to 127,000 on Bitcoin, nobody felt that unless you were in Bitcoin. Terra Luna Classic wasn't. Ethereum hit an all-time high, but Solana hit an all-time high in 2024. We really haven't seen an altcoin season. We haven't seen a technical run. So these things are just bleeding, and the rest of the market in altcoins are bleeding because what everybody is doing is, it's very simple. They're waiting for the Clarity Act in the United States in order to start aping back. That's really what's going on. That's taking a little bit longer than we were hoping for. Now, we did see some news today that said that it should be voted on in April. That is about a month away. And today we saw Donald Trump demand Jerome Powell reduce the rates. And by the way, don't forget, Jerome Powell, he's about to be out. So we'll see what happens here. But also, it should be noted that today we had a spike in price right here, 4.5% on Terra and only 1.5% on Garuda. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on there, but it does appear that Terra is starting to get a little bit of a spike. So we'll see whether or not it maintains. We'll see what it looks like over a while. Now on price action, Terra also spiking up over here as well. Juris, we're still waiting for something with Juris. I'm going to be doing a an interview with LUNC Lover 69, so you guys might want to schedule that so that you can watch it, and we'll let you know how it goes. We'll see. I got some questions to ask him, and we'll talk. If you have any questions that you would like to ask for Juris Protocol, go ahead and put it in the comment section down below, and we'll see if we can get these questions asked. We'll probably film that this weekend, see how it goes, and then we'll let you know. On to price. We're going to start with the market just started to erupt, by the way, after some real pressure today. We didn't see a negative day necessarily, but we've been looking for some kind of spike in price, and it looks like we're getting it right now. Bitcoin trading at around 71,500. We're starting to see that surge back above, and we're looking for, by the way, just kind of looking for this right here. It's kind of running up this way right now. Let's kind of shorten that right there. And then this right here. So we're in a wedge pattern right now, and it looks like we're about to break out. I don't know if we have the ability to break out or not yet, but we're on a 4 hour, and what you're seeing on the 4 hour is, this is, by the way, this is where you should enter your trades, okay? The 200-day MA has flattened, and the 50-day has now crossed over, and we got the bullish crossover right here. So you are in, or you're starting to get back into bullish territory. Now on the daily, that changes. The daily, we're still bearish, but that could change if we get a break above. Now let's see how that applies to Terra Luna Classic. I've removed everything that we've talked about before because I wanted to start fresh here and give you guys a little bit more perspective. Again, long time frame. On the daily, we're still in a downtrend according to the 200 MA. But you can notice right here, the 50 has swirled around and it started to point upwards. That's a bullish indicator. It's only one bullish indicator. It does not mean that the price is going to spike. I keep telling you I think it's going to spike. It's because I see things like, when I see that spike like that, price goes wham. When you see those things happen, you tend to get upward momentum. Right here, we got a little bit right there. Boom, we got some upward momentum over here. Now, that tends to walk hand in hand. Now, the question is, can we get that crossover? If we get the crossover, then boom, this is going to be a really nice run in my estimation. Now, I don't have anything to back that up other than what I'm reading on the chart. Let's look at it from the 4 hour. We look at it on the 4 hour, and guess what? We've already crossed over a couple of days ago. Right there, February 26th, we already crossed over and we've started the ascent. The ascent means that we've bottomed and most likely we are headed higher highs. So we got the crossover, we got the big move over here. Now we've got this corrective move happening right now, which to me means that we could see over the next couple of days, start to see that kind of dwindle down to that 4,000 range. As we see the 200 come up, we could see a breakdown and then a breakout. Now, if we're doing that, what we would like to see is we'd like to see some confirmation with Fibonacci. So if we're looking at it from Fibonacci, what are we looking at right now? Well, first of all, the pivot is going to be from right there to right there. And we're in the zone right now for a breakout. So right here, when we're looking for an opportunity, we're looking for a breakout to come from this zone right here. We're actually in that zone right now. So if you're looking to take a trade, today is a perfect opportunity for you to take a trade on Terra Luna Classic. By the way, if you were to go long right now, I wouldn't have a problem with that. I think that's actually a pretty good idea right now to go long because I think something is coming. And by the way, the market's up $40 billion. Remember, the market resets at 7 p.m. At the time of me filming this, it's 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. $40 billion is poured into the market in the last 30 minutes. So this is a momentum spike that's happening right now. Ethereum, by the way, is up 3.5% right now. Solana's up 5% right now. You're seeing an altcoin breakout happening in real time. Tau, which was at $200 yesterday, $220 right now, continuing its breakout. I was about to go long, by the way, on ICP and on Tau. I sat on the sidelines kind of waiting, and I'm going to miss out on this one. But you know what? I'm holding a big bag of both, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, it's a great opportunity to get in. I don't know, again, if it's going to create a spike, but we are looking at it right now. We're in the prime position. We're up. We're moving in a positive direction. By the way, I'm putting that 50. The 50 came back down. I do think that it's going to spike again, but that's going to be based on this happening right here, and then a break down and above. So we're looking pretty good. I mean, the whole market is looking pretty good. As far as volume goes, we're up 1% on the day. That's not a lot, but we are up 1%. And then the burn tracker is at 170. Now, what do we have that's working for us? Market module, the market module. We've got builders who are building. We've got the SDKs coming out, the new update. So there's plenty of things that are in the pipeline that are happening. There are plenty of things, but remember, a lot of people have been choked out. I want to point out something that you guys might not have seen, might have fallen, missed. You might have missed it. 75% of crypto development has paused. If you're asking yourself, what are you talking about? Well, a lot of people have pivoted to AI, and that is just a fact of programming. And one of the pieces to that is Claude is making it easier. So 75% of the people are gone. That doesn't mean that 75% of the work is no longer the work is still being done. Claude, or another commensurate programming buddy, has helped to build with less developers. So the amount of time to code stuff has dramatically dropped, meaning that a lot more can be accomplished with a lot less. So when we look at that metric, you should be nervous, but you should also remember that it's a lot easier. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I think something's happening in the markets. So fingers crossed. We'll talk to you again